Hi everyone, my name is Chef Jeremy Lovell and today I'm going to share a special recipe with you guys. Today I'm going to share with you all how I do my Char Siu pork. Right, we're going to add all the ingredients into the marinating bag, our ziplock bag here, and then we're going to add the pork. Alright, so we're going to start with the 5 spice, brown sugar, honey, ketchup, and to give it that red color, some red coloring, or you could either use, if you don't want to use the red coloring, you could use red bean paste. Salt to taste. Then we're going to put the pork and marinate. Try to get all the air out. Right, try to make sure unzip properly so we don't have anything leaking out, and then we give a mix. Right, after we mix, we allow to marinate overnight, and then we put in the oven to roast. Right, now that our Char Siu pork has marinated, we're going to preheat the oven to 325. Remove the Char Siu pork using our tongs if you don't want to dirty your hands too much. Place it on our baking tray and allow it to bake for about 30 to 45 minutes.